Hi, this is Suchi and in our today's video, we are going to talk about dictionary. So how to add a new key? Let us look into this, as well as how to update an existing key. So let's go into this. First thing, we will be adding a new item to the dictionary. So how to add a new item? So how we will add a new item? Again, there are two ways to add a new item. One is this square bracket method. We can add square bracket and the new key that we want to add to this dictionary. Let's say I'm going to add the country here. And then I'm going to add the value. So as I am adding this is one way of doing this. Just adding the key in the square bracket, giving an equal sign and assigning that value to this. And if I run this, you can see that before adding the new item, the dictionary was not having this country key. And after adding the new item, you can see this new item as a part of this dictionary. So this is before and this is after. The same thing can be done with the help of a dictionary method, which is dot, let me just comment this out, student1 dot update. So if we use dot update, what will happen? We can add this new key and its value to the dictionary. Now, as you can see, the dictionary is already updated with country. Let me add some new, some other key. Let's say gender. Female. And now let us run this. So you can see this error is coming up because this is expecting one argument. So basically, I have made one mistake, which is I have passed two different values here. But what I need to pass is, I need to pass by making it as a dictionary. So here I have made this a dictionary now, and now I will run this cell. And as you can see here, our new element is added to the dictionary. So in the previous dictionary, we didn't have this gender, but now we have the gender here, over here. So this is how we can add new elements using square bracket method as well as using update method. Now, let us look into how to update an existing key value. For example, I want to update the age of the candidate. So how I can do that? Again, there are two ways of doing it. Let me add updating existing value for a specific key. Now I want to update the age of the student. What I can do is, I can again print this so that we can understand. I'm writing it as updating age. And after updating age. So in between, what we will do is, we will add the variable name here, the dictionary name, and we will add square brackets. And then we will add age. And then what we will do is we will assign a new value using an equal sign. So let's say I'm assigning 21. Maybe the candidate's age has been increased to 21 now. So if I run this, as you can see, the age was 20 before we have assigned a new value, and then it has become 21. So age is updated. So this is one way of updating existing element, existing value of a specific key. Now, how to update using dictionary method? So as I think you can guess it, that we can use the same update method which we have used for adding a new element to the dictionary. We can also update existing key value, existing keys value in a dictionary, the same update method. So what I will do is, I'll again update the, let's say I'm updating the name of this candidate. So what I can do, I will again create a dictionary over here. I'll add this name. So as I realize that this name is incorrect in this record, I'm just updating the name to Priya Sharma from Priya Sharma. Now let us run this. And as you can see, this by using this update method, we can change the existing value for a specific key. So as you can see, this name, the value of this name key has been updated from Priya Sharma to Priya Sharma. So this is how we can update an existing value for a specific key using update method as well as this square bracket method. So now that we have created dictionary, we have accessed element from the dictionary, we have also updated existing keys, added new keys to it. Now we want to know how to do a delete operation. So how to remove a key, how to remove an item from a dictionary. So let's look into that. To remove items from a dictionary, we can use this pop method. So in case of pop method, we just need to mention which key we want to remove. The value of which key we want to remove. So here we will add that key name. Let's say I want to remove the country. So what I can do is I'll just name the key here. I'll pass the key here in the pop method, the dictionary name dot pop and the key name within brackets as a parameter. So after doing this, what we can do is we can run this code. We can see what is the dictionary before popping and what is it after popping. So as we can see here, this is the dictionary before popping, which was having the country India. And when we popped this country element from this particular dictionary, you can see the popped value is India, because India was a value for this country key. And then it is saying after popping, the dictionary has become this, where we do not have this particular key, which we have already popped. Now we want to delete, we want to pop out the last element of the dictionary, the last item only. So this scenario is valid for the Python version after 3.7 and after versions. But if you look into a previous version of Python, which is before 3.7, there was no actual order maintained in the dictionary. So if we were gonna try to delete the last element, which is actually inserted the last time in the dictionary, if we want to delete that, we can't exactly do because there is no order maintained. But now we can do that by using pop items. So let me just copy this part again. So in case of using pop item, we don't need to mention any key name because we are going to drop the last key, whichever we have inserted. And we can see what was that last key which was inserted. So we will use this pop item and we will run this. As you can see here, this is the dictionary before popping. And this was having this gender at the last position. And here you can see the pop value is gender female. So as you have seen in the earlier case, as we popped it by the key, it is not returning the key here. The popped value, whatever it was returning, was a value, not the key. But here we are popping the last item. We are not mentioning any key or something. So it is returning us what key and value we have popped out as a tuple here. So this is how we can pop out the last inserted element from the dictionary.